Here is how to change Roblox Keybinds. First, open your browser and search for AutoHotkey. Open the official website, click Download, and select Download v2.0. Next, open your Downloads folder, double-click the installer to run it, and click Install. Once the installation is complete, make sure Roblox is running in the background. Right-click on your desktop, select New, and create a new AutoHotkey script. Give the script any name you want. Next, right-click the script and choose Edit Script with Notepad. Now, paste the command into your script. You can copy it from the description below. This changes your movement keys from W, A, S, D to T, F, G, H. After pasting the script, click File, then Save. Finally, double-click the script to run it. Your new keybinds will now be active in Roblox. That's all for this video. Thanks.